Hi everybody, today we're going to be talking about for loops. Our objective is going to be to break up a string and grab its characters. This is also called as traversing a string, which in plain English, like I said, is pulling each character from a string. And one way you can think about it is like a crane. A crane is pulling individual containers one at a time. So that's what the for loop is going to do. It's going to pull individual characters from a word one at a time, one at a time. And in our approach, that's what we're doing. We're taking this variable, which contains the word moonsault, and in our for loop, we are using the letter I, which is equal to 0, which that's our starting position. And then we are going to stop at the total position, which is move.length. We're going to be counting one by one, or iterating one by one. Then we are going to use the print statement. We're going to use our variable, and then we're going to say we want to be able to pull every character, which is our char at, with each iteration. And so if we look into our code, we can see this in a bit more detail. So we have our variable here, we have a starting position, we have our end position, we have our counter, we have our print statement. We're moving with each character, and our counter variable is going to help us. So if we run this, let's see what happens. Make this up. So as you can see, the for loop went one by one and grabbed each individual character from the word moonsault. Kind of like operating a crane. And so we can modify this just to play around with this. So we'll say wrestler 1, we'll say RVD, because he's one of my favorite wrestlers. When I first saw his moves, I was just really impressed with the 5-star frog splash, rolling thunder, Van Terminator, Van Daminator. I was just like, wow, this guy's crazy. So what'll happen here is the for loop is going to print RVD in separate lines. So let's run this. And as you can see, RVD. We can also say MJF because he's perfect heel right now. He's super hot in AEW, so pretty sure he's gonna have a good run later on with the title, hopefully. Or we could even say ROH. And so you see it's printing every individual letter by itself. We could say AEW. Perfect. Or we can even say All Elite Wrestling. And it's going to print each of these characters from the word individually. Another thing we could do is print this backwards. So all we would have to do is just modify the for loop a little bit. So remember our position here. So this first piece is our starting position. This is where we're gonna where we're gonna stop, and this is gonna be our counter. So if we wanna start, we want to start at the end. So we could say wrestler 1 is length minus 1, and this is going to be equal to, let's see, I is going to be equal to 0, and because we're going backwards, so we're going from the total minus 1, so we're going from here all the way to here, or from the letter G all the way to the letter A, and so then, because the counter is plus plus, we're moving one by one, we have to move backwards one by one. So we would say the inverse of that is 2 minuses or 2 negatives, whatever you want to call that. And so this is going to print in reverse. So let's see if it does it. And yeah, so as you can see, All Elite Wrestling. So this is printing in reverse. Alright, well, that's how you traverse through strings. You can think about it like a crane, just individually pulling out each character from a string. Alright, we'll see you guys later.